Another family office quality strategy around iteration is knocking yourself off. If you want to do well long term and you get a big lead with your investor funnel and using choke points, other people are going to try to copycat you, especially if you're in the public eye. Kevin Harrington, how many people know who Kevin is? He's the inventor of As Seen on TV brand, the head of that. He invented the infomercial. We've closed 2 transactions with Kevin. We helped him create Shark Family Office to source deals for his family office. He's spoken at many of our events. And he says to knock yourself off in the marketplace. So he'll have one product and he'll buy the misspellings of the URL, or he'll be debating between 2 really good brand names, and he'll kind of trademark and operate sometimes 2 different websites. The second website just leads back to the first one if people find it. And that way it's harder for other people to enter it, and it looks more crowded when people look, oh, who else is in this space? Oh, there's already 6 companies, or there's already these 2 really well-positioned companies. Also, when you compete against yourself, Google AdWords only lets you advertise one website, only one page on your website per advertising search result. So if they search investment club or whatever, you can only have one listing. If you have 2 websites, you may be able to advertise twice on that same keyword term through different companies that you own and capture more of the market. So that's kind of a trick we learned after spending 7 figures in the space. So there's just 3 quick examples. Operate within the industry, think about niche monopoly opportunities, and knock yourself off so that other people don't try to knock yourself off and kind of copycat you and try to invade your sandbox in a cheap way that you could have prevented very easily. There's a lot of examples of that we don't need to belabor.